Discover professional desktop repair services in Estero, Florida. Our expert solutions cater to all your desktop repair needs, offering convenient home and office services. Call us today. Need a repair quote? Contact us at 239-421-8187 or visit esterodesktop-repairservice.com. Get your Estero desktop repair service quote without any hassle or obligation. Why choose us? We specialize in desktop repairs for both home and office setups. Our services are fast, reliable, and affordable, tailored specifically to meet your needs. We offer a range of services including hardware repairs, software troubleshooting, virus removal, and data recovery. All services are available right here in Estero, Florida. Your convenience is our priority. No need to haul your computer to a shop. We come to you. Enjoy transparent pricing with no hidden fees, just expert service. We value your time with quick diagnosis and repair to get your desktop running smoothly again. See why Estero residents trust us for their desktop repair needs. Enjoy quality service at competitive prices. Keep your office running seamlessly with expert desktop repair services tailored to business needs. Call 239-421-8187 for a quote. From hardware fixes to virus removal, we're here to help. Our team is ready to assist you with all your desktop repair needs. Call us at 239-421-8187 today. For fast, reliable, and convenient desktop repair services in Estero, Florida, call 239-421-8187 or visit esterodesktop-repairservice.com. We're ready to serve you.